Hello everyone, how are you? I'm Saurabh Sharma, Assistant Professor at SD College of Commerce, and today we are going to start the new topic, which is super profit method of goodwill. In the previous video, I taught you about the average profit method and the weighted average profit method, and the basic meaning of the goodwill, what the goodwill is. Firstly, I will revise the previous topic of the previous video, and then after I will continue with the new topic, which is super profit method. Firstly, we must know what the goodwill is. Okay, let's talk about goodwill. This is the business A and this is the business B. Business B A is a old business, a stable business, and business B is newly established business. And business A is earning 20,000, 30,000, 40,000, 50,000, 60,000, and 70,000. And business B is newly established business. Now, the question arises, how much A earning is more than B is earning. That is called the goodwill. Goodwill means extra earning capacity of business A. Goodwill means extra earning capacity of business B in comparison to B. Why? Due to the reasons of past efforts. It means when you are when you are earning a profits in the same year, it doesn't mean that in the next year you will earn the profit with the same rate. It may be more, it may be less, and in the next to next year, profit may be more, profit may be less from the previous year. That's why we do not consider the profit of the single year. Hence, instead of considering the single profit of single year, we consider the average profit. And how to calculate the average profit? The formula of calculating the average profit is sigma P. Sigma means sum of all profit. Sigma stands for sum of all profits. P. Here P means P stands for profits. Sigma P, total of profit divided by number of years. Total of profit divided by number of years. And total of profit is 2,70,000 and number of year is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And number of year is 6. In that case, the average profit is 45,000. And now the question arises, this is the probability that in the upcoming year you will earn on an average 45,000 of profit in 2020. Now the question arises, how many years you may earn this profit? It is just an estimate. It is just an estimate. You can earn more than this profit or you can earn less than this profit, and this estimate may be 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, maybe. Okay guys, in that case, if the number of year purchase, it means how many years you are purchasing this goodwill. Again I'm repeating, for how many years you are purchasing this goodwill, that is called number of year purchase, NYP. Total profit divided by number of year, it means average profit is 45,000 into 3, it means 1 lakh and 1,35,000 is a profit. Okay guys, let's talk about the next method. The next method is weighted average profit method. Let's talk about what the weighted average method is. In the simple average is not a logical average. you know we are calculating the simple average. Instead of calculating the simple average, we have to calculate the profit by giving him a proper weight, and weight may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In this method we have to form the 4 columns: year, profit, weight, and product. Year, profit, weight, and products. Year 2015-16, like in the previous question. Profits may be given in the question, and weight is assigned by us in the ascending order. Okay guys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then after, we will calculate the product by multiplying profit into weight. This is called weighted. This is called weighted product. And if we divide the total of product divided by total of weight. If we divide total of product divided by total of weight, in that case we will get the weighted average profit. What is the meaning of what is the difference between the simple average and the weighted average? In case of simple average, we just sum up all the profits and divide by number of year. Instead, the weighted average method is more logical because we assigned the weight as per their quantity. Okay, guys. And then after total of product divide by number of year, and we will get 5190. Okay, guys. Weighted average profit into NYP, that is into 3 is equal to 15,570. Okay, then we will come to the next topic, and the next topic is super profit method. Okay, guys, what is the super profit method? Wait for an example. This is the father of two sons, Ram and Sham. Ram and Sham. Father have 20 lakh rupees. Father assigned 20 lakh rupees divided equally to Ram and Sham. 10 lakh rupees to Ram and 10 lakh rupees to Sham. And Ram is a hard working guy, whether Sham is a lazy guy. Is a lazy, and Ram is a hard working. Ram earn 3 lakh after hard work invested in business. Whether Sham is a lazy person, Sham deposited this into bank and get 10% return. It means Sham get 1 lakh rupees. Okay, this person has a 20 lakh rupees. He divides among the Ram and Sham equally, 10 lakh and 10 lakh. And Ram is a hardworking person. Ram invested this 10 lakh rupee into business and get 3 lakh rupees after lot of hard work. That is profit. And Sham is a lazy person. Sham deposited this whole money in the bank and get the return at the rate of 10%, which is 1 lakh. Ram earned 3 lakh after a lot of hard work. Sham earned 1 lakh after laziness on sitting on the bed and just eating the chips and watching the TVs. And after the 1 year, when this person named Dashrath called Ram and Sham, that he asked first, Sham, how much you earned from the 10 lakh rupee I assigned you? Sham said, I earn only 1 lakh rupee. Then after he called to the Ram and asked from the Ram that how much is earned by you? Ram said, I earned 3 lakh. Dashrath said, what 3 lakh? Sham even earned 1 lakh after sitting on the table on a sofa and watching the TV. And you earned 3 lakh after a lot of hard work. It means you only get 2 lakh rupees extra from Ram. Ram earned 3 lakh rupees. Sham earned 1 lakh rupees. How much Ram earning for their hard work? Hard work is 2 lakh. And this hard work money is called super profit. What the super profit is? Super profit means more than normal money. If any person earn 3 lakh after investing in a business and the another person earn 1 lakh without doing anything, then what is the value of hard work? What is the super profit? The super profit is average profit minus normal profit. This is average profit, and this is normal profit. If normal profit means if you do not do anything, you will even get the 10% return. In that case, the only profit is 2 lakh rupees, that is super profit. And the formula of super profit is average minus normal. Average minus normal is equal to average minus normal is equal to super profit. and super profit multiplied by number of year purchase is equal to goodwill. That is the whole concept. Okay, I hope you guys are understand. Let's revise it quickly. What the super profit is? Super profit is average profit minus normal profit. It means average profit over and above the normal profit is super profit, and the super profit into number of year purchase is goodwill. Okay, guys. I hope you all are understand. Thank you.